everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to talk to you about in-rack replacement in NetZoom. In an effort to minimize costs and maximize data center efficiency, often data center managers will upgrade old and obsolete equipment to new and latest hardware to take up less space, consume less power, and have better performance. In NetZoom, you can easily find and replace old equipment that might be mounted on racks with new hardware using the device replacement feature. The device replacement feature is used to replace devices in the data center while maintaining connectivity and placement settings. This can be used to make those technology refreshes quick and easy, where a device is replaced by a new one from inventory, as well as in-place replacements, where one model is replaced with another while preserving the asset ID and other identifying information. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Now we'll navigate to the feature by clicking the Data Center menu, and then the Change Management tab, and finally selecting the Device Replacement feature. The following rules apply when using NetZoom's device replacement with Change Management. You must be currently working in Quick Change mode, Staging mode, or Plan mode in order to use replacement. You can only replace devices that are of the same entity type. You can only replace devices of a single model for model replacement or in-place replacement. When replacing rack-mountable devices, the new device must consume the same number of rack units or less than the number you are replacing. If you choose to replace a current number of devices in your rack, you must have an equivalent number of approved assets in inventory. And finally, only rack-mountable devices can be replaced using device replacement. Now that we know the rules of replacement, let's create a replacement profile. Click the plus icon. As you can see, a blank form will appear. Fill out the form with a name. We'll use the same name as the device that we plan to replace. Check Retain Cabling and Retain Placement if you want your new device to use the same cabling and placement configuration of the device that it's replacing. Click the Save button when finished. Now that we've created a replacement profile, we need to add our new device to it. Navigate to the Inventory menu and select the New Devices feature. Remember, you'll need to add and approve your new device to this feature before it can be used in replacement. In this case, I've already added this device a few times to our new inventory. Since it's a device that's used through a lot of our application, we'll use this one. Right-click the device and click Add to Replacement. As you can see, a pop-up will ask you to select the replacement. We could enter a new name to create a whole new replacement here, but for now, let's select the one we just created from the drop-down list. Click the Save button to finish adding the device to your replacement. Now, let's navigate back to the device replacement feature in Data Center and check out our replacement profile. As you can see, your device replacement is now showing a list of devices. All of these devices in our live site have been identified as possible spots for our replacement. We simply need to check the device we want to replace and click the Replace button. As you can see, we have 5 available quantity, and if we replace this device now, it will retain placement positioning and power cabling and data connectivity. Let's replace this device in rack C106. The checked device will be replaced in the live site with a device that you added to the inventory, as we can see here. That covers the basics of in-rack replacement using NetZoom. NetZoom's device replacement feature can also be used to replace one model with another model from basic models, configured models, or smart builds, while preserving the asset identifying information, properties, connectivity, logs, and other information. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.